We continue with the Gstarcad 2013 first look presentation, and right now let's see another key feature of this release. We are talking about Express Tools. Let's see what's new on Express Tools. Let's start with the first one, and we have Layout by Path. Layout by Path distributes object copies, for example this object, along a path. This path can be an arc, line, polyline, or a spline. So Layout by Path distribute objects with variety options. In Layout by Path there are three options. The first one is random. Random can distribute object copies by a specific point. Division can distribute object copies by entering a number, and measure can distribute object copies by entering a distance. As you can see, Layout by Path is an easy handling tool for array objects. Let's see another tools. And we have Align and Arrange tool. There are two tools in here. Let's talk about Align tool. Align tool align objects quickly according to X and Y axis. That means you can align objects horizontal or vertically. For example, you can align these objects. Here we have three columns. You can align them and place them in no time. You will get fast result. Right now let's talk about Arrange tool. Arrange tool arrange objects faster according to X and Y axis plus in padding distance. Let's see the follow sample. For example, you can arrange the space of these objects, and these objects are step ladders. Okay, you can arrange the space of these objects by inputting a distance value. For example, I want a 54 millimeters each order. Besides, let's see the result. As you can see right now, all these step ladders are correctly arranged by inputting a distance. That means 54 millimeters. By applying this command, you can save time on moving objects. Align and Arrange tool offer more settings to align and arrange objects. Let's see more settings on Align. As you can see in the dialog box, you will have more settings for Align tool. And also Arrange. You will have more settings or options to Arrange tool. Okay. Both tools are focusing on moving objects faster. And let's see the next tool, Area Zoom. Area Zoom can calculate area of multiple closed regions. For example, in this drawing there are 4 closed regions that I already drew, and I need to calculate all the areas in few steps. So just by click inside of the closed regions, for example region number 1 and region number 2, I will get the result at real time in the command line. And also I can repeat the same process to get the other 2 areas at real time. As you can see, this tool brings faster result in few clicks. And let's see the other tools, Text Match and Change Text. First, let's talk about Text Match. Text Match match text or mtext attributes faster than edit them. For example, you can match content. First you have the sample text, then you have the destination object, and you have the content matched. Check the difference. Then you have another option, height. So you have your sample text, destination object, and the height matched. Also see the difference. We have another option, angle. Your sample text, destination object, and angle matched. See the difference. And also we have a color. You have your sample text, destination object, and color matched. Also see the difference. and you will have much more text match setting options. Now let's talk about change text. Change text modifies several texts or m texts simultaneously. There are many options within this command, and we will explore some of them. So for example, we have location, global modification, and single modification. Let's start with location. Location option. In this drawing, you have several texts or m texts not aligned. Okay, you can easily locate them according to your need. So by applying location option, you can align these texts or m texts simultaneously. Let's see global modification option. For example, if you want to modify the red text simultaneously, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 text or m text, and you want to modify all simultaneously, you can do it by global modification. See the result. As you can see, all the red text have been modifying according to the white one, office one for all the text, and you will have single modification. For example, if you want to modify the red text, you can modify one by one by single modification. It's very simple, really. And sure, you will have much more change text option. Well, you watched the flexibility of these tools. I'm sure you can apply them easily on your daily work. Right now, let's see the last part of this first look presentation, and let's see the main enhancements of this release. Of course, every release has a lot of improvements, and this time we can talk some of them. For example, HEdit, text online, publish, and much more. Let's start with HEdit. The improvement of HEdit is that boundary options are available right now. The well-known pick and select options, you can select objects to create a hatch pattern. Also, you can recreate a boundary not associated. That means if you have created this hatch pattern, by applying a boundary not associated, if you stretch any point of the boundary, the hatch will not follow the boundary. And also you can recreate a boundary associated that behaves in an opposite way to the boundary not associated. As you can see, if you stretch any point of the boundary, the hatch will follow the boundary. And finally, we have another option, delete boundary. If you have applied a hatch as a group, you can easily select a boundary. For example, you can select this boundary, and the hatch of the selected boundary will be deleted. As you can see, I select, for example, this boundary, but the boundary will be not deleted. The hatch within the boundary will be deleted. So with these enhancements, you will have more boundary options. Let's see the enhancements of text online. Text online. In the previous version, this command allowed to create text over one line. Right now, you can create text along multiple lines faster. Let's see. You have, for example, this drawing. There are multiple curves or multiple lines. For example, arcs, polyline, spline, and you can right now apply text online simultaneously. As you can see, this is the result you can get with text online enhancement. And there are another enhancement. You will have more distribution options. The distribution options are almost nearly same to layout by path. You will have a random division measure and midpoint options. And these are the text online enhancement. And let's see the next one, publish. Okay, in the previous version, you could create 2D DWF files. right now you can choose another option, 3D DWF Publish, that allows publish your 3D modeling design in DWF format in the model space, just only in the model space. And you can view and print this format using Autodesk Design Review. And finally, we have much more. And we have zoom wheel. Zoom wheel toggles zoom in or zoom out operations when you scroll the middle mouse wheel. And also you have Gstarcad that displays workspace styles by typing this command and setting up the variables. You have 3 variables, and you have a select overlapping objects. You can switch a selection from the overlapping objects on drawings with excessive amounts of elements intersected. And finally, you will have mtext editor. The mtext editor and the mtext fixed values have been improved for better text input visibility. In the previous version, in text editor, when you want to edit an mtext, if the mtext has a certain angle, just you edit it at this angle. But right now you can turn this mtext horizontally and edit better. You will have better visibility. Okay, dear users, that's what we have in highly productive functions, express tools, and enhancements in this first look at Gstarcad 2013. And one last thing, I recommend you try it.